Why are there not more people talking about garden pathways? They're more than just a way to get from A to B. They're the secret storytellers of every great landscape design. Let's take a quick trip around the world. In Japan, winding gravel paths invite quiet reflection, while English gardens celebrate meandering brick walkways lined with wildflowers. In Morocco, patterned tiles create intricate mosaics beneath your feet, turning every step into art. Fast forward to today, and trends are mixing it up. Think eco-friendly materials, bold geometric shapes, and seamless transitions from indoors to out. The best pathways don't just connect spaces, they draw people in, guide movement, and set the mood for the whole garden. So next time you're designing, ask yourself, what story do you want your pathway to tell? Because in landscape design, every journey truly begins with a single step.